Try again. Take you another hit.
Child, what is your dysfunction? Wow. Have some more. You must like it.
Try it again.
Why don't you try something, Grandma?
Hey.
Here,
Shake
yeah.
it in her hair. Shake it in her hair.
So nobody would be dumb enough to do that twice. Oh, yes, she will. Do it again.
There it is.
What are you eating, Nugget?
Pepper.
What are you eating?
Pepper.
You eat it.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, here we go.
We got the 2 create your owns for 10.